I want to encourage people out there that are struggling, that have taken losses that are big, who are struggling to find out, like, I want to make this work. I want to be something in the markets. I want to operate within the market successfully and feel good about myself. It absolutely is possible to do. And you're in the right place with John. I see everything that Goldman Sachs puts out, and there is nothing that Goldman Sachs puts out that is like what John puts out. And the reason is that they trade very, very differently. Their whole minds are wired different. It's completely different. Even their options education stuff is completely different. And there's a lot of reasons for that, but I won't go into all that now. But as an individual person, or as anybody who wants to make money in markets, this is really where a phenomenal place to dive deep into the materials and to play with them.